Yes, I'm watching Mama baby ever emra bedwam djubedie so. De etwagu jesie eye bedwam kase na answer no. Ni teko edi inkrahesem ebreye. Etutu yefo kwen betimi afa so etu ya na mabo ye bra. Ye ho nkoba asem bi. Empo ye ho kra bas mo a. E betimi ye ho edi efrimu. Ena de bedwam kase beto aso. Be free sabre record de. Yes, ma do abaye online portals, Adom online, Manjo online. Any other online portals. As well do about the work at Adom and then the youth of multimedia. Yeah, they bro. Maybe you can see in your mind, Kabra Sante. Ewa youth leader, Boko dear.
The youth,
the youth.
Maybe I may do no, maybe a youth. I'm getting to 60 years, my own affair. Oh, God, just me a baboon. As I'm an again. Eddie, and this one more movie and a good baby, I don't want to know. Youth, baby, and I made him a bit do me who didn't see. Over describe me, say, well, maybe youth in the middle was for that, but Menyakwada. Menyakwada, Menya, a 34-year-old or 26-year-old a year.
Okay.
This year, and a minister, and there be Menyakwada, baby. But that's a silver who say that exuberance, name, exuberance, no, me move, but Menyakwada.
You know,
Menyakwada. Mechiapa, minimum said the MP before. 35 to 40, 17, 40 to 35, 17, career. Bamina Quada. But Chairman former Ashanti Regional Chairman of Canada, say Penmu de Opa, and away. You go at Tadia, a quadract, you know, and Pedro paint July that also said, you knew about Kusukuta and
yeah.
The son you could tell me say, a man engine it. You go right after July, most of Sano. Nkunim DNA awone akwantuo ni sikasem adwuma na epijase ya enti o de numsuo twa ope de meka no nti ye kuta yensem bare kakra na ewo no ye man ngi se yesi pe yewu ti gina ha se ya na ekosi mu enkosi edu de kutam e man nyene aka na he otwe obedi na he wakwaye no kopra na ntuo July na mu na aka na he no akonyame adom a obe gaga a kire da bi iti ye be pagya na ye biem te sef inhwire no na August enimonyam hyesonko ne akwantuo mu promise ne awo ne awade ne adwumaden a enfaso so no wotimanya san kunimdie no wonwa mane nyonwa akwasisi na gina nim sei afia manko atamaklo ye kasa de nso ne gugu ti se owo India se o Jamaica o se owo Gosu se o Sampa baby a obutu bia no ye channel na pay Mamenka say if we say copy say non kro ba permanent adununum de bia da meka ho yen ya sede se obeka ye ho na ye dwene o man Ghana ho sede se na si fata very important because say wo yi ho film na meso metwe me ho film a na afi tokura beda ho na de ensem fata bia no na ekoso minim say a lot na anu fiada ne memenda ne kwesiada ne enne ayemachi kwa mini odi nkita ho no we say no matter do na see person you're part of that conversation in this akwanya no abeda ho de amount na onso atima frɛ on 0302 211 ekosi 4 now the one sem na de abrɛ apomudi nkomo ho ɛyɛ asemidi kan ho agokansi ho sister Sandia ho se penso hjem den nti kyerɛ wo sɛ enne ye onioma kɛse a ye de ebro ade ba ko sɛ o hye nso no sɛ cathedral ho nkomo no bɛkɔ yie pa ene na no da yenkomo edi wa na yemu se aban kasamafo ewo Jubilee House so ede eye ono so ntiase ede abeto dwama ye behwe ntiase no na ya hwe se eno ene de ewo ho anase betimi de biafo aso ni nyina ne se ye kyekyere man no na man atimi akonkan na no da so ni patriotic party so wono koye wono national delegates conference nsembebre na aba afrima ede aba ti san komo no so ya de a ebidu ene ebra wo hia kwasinsia ne oman ne kwabna sante na yetimi edidi sankom na afa de brewe de enioma hodo atojo de oboka atem de bre ema ho kwan ana ye de bro makai so wo fifi a minimum bia wo de ba nsuo ni gugu ti driver ni bia so wo hwetie so ay careful wo brake very important o wiper very important side mirrors ni na very important driving mirror key afi o share ne ba bi leak a misre wadarma ye na ye ni yi tutu o ehye nim nyina nsuo to a de memfa rubber nkosen honom na ebo a na egu obi so obi ti hyen mu so te se de wonam abonten ti yesre a driver for no monya afi maintenance kakra se o ye office no fie titru bia o ye ho yie ba bia ye Johnson ba bia ye ho yie ni nyina no ukom mia bibiri a nsuo tutu say de hopacha tantantan afia hoduo mu nso de enye kora ene o ka say o public facilities nso de a ene hokra de fanyinam kora ene men kokora kyerɛw sɛ ya ho boa no still enwie peyo mesrew saa mmea we ayade ehia yie pa yɛhwɛ na biribia da yɛma hɔnom no endin akwasi bi wɔ ma do be
catch about nsuo na eto na the name the ntia as a markers bebree especially saa at the anti be share getters musa
a lot of things it could be sight, it could be brake no apply, it could be the wiper and judgment in car nyina e boy si work no so chinchina or be caught na afi be one afi
there are for to ambo
obi so to say no onim so onim kwan no so amatema moto we no nje onim so bibia
onim ba bi obefa
nje onim ba bi obefa da bi men da
kwan na ho ma bibia timi si kwan so
Daily Graphic say Blekusu coastline secured. President Mahama launches protection project. Ghana man paying ojinemu bawe. Na minim se oni excavator nyina pulu ba opulu ni simple. Why ade pa ana wa asho eya ade share ewo eye ketu se ade we de ekwan we de ehwe ho asem na sisi bi se koso odom no yetime di hujuma ede amamo. Accra London to chart mutual development pass. When you say London mayor no how.
Yeah.
Na no da no ko gama nche woni ne ko bon komo didi nkoma. O say ayon ko faso nku bi beda Accra and London intem in Ghana for monye crowd na monhwe anim. National Delegates Conference MPP expands electoral college. Voters increase from 220,000 to 280,000.
Okay.
Sasa
60,000 abeka on.
Nti obi a ugina chire bia na ukase yembiem no. Ene mu ana makom conference. Mu ana makoje atum say yempeja nipa nim free 220,000 and franco 280,000. And yeah, former MPs, former DCs, former ministers and inkofo bebrebe na omo kan kan in good standing.
Wow. Yes.
Yes. Ana edi omo abeka sa ehhehia amodi aba no. Daily Guide name han say Era Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and Fujin Kesepa han say or say MPP unites to rebuild after successful confab. And what I'm saying, if we need to say Dr. Mahmoud, but I can't say this any or saying Cabo Munkwa and Cabo Munkwa. In fact, the Casem culture was in Cabo debate my party, MPP, no, Etimi Edin Kunim. Daily Guide, Kosu Kasafa, a year London Mayor Wabestra, a year Ghana, our Gaman John Wakasa, a phone. And many John Dramani, my excellence, hey, National Cathedral, come on, ceasefire. Board no muni hobi me na me say na nka mo hwe chiri kakra but e be edu no muni ho bodwuma ye no aba na wi ya ne sam after you know so yeru asame jamfi so aka so say the Ghana nche bia gold board e be roll out gold traceability system bia bia obefa di ye gold bia you show mu simple krama bia kama you are savage fi and this and come the custodian say nobody is bigger than the MPP minority leader na ka say you are federal market say hey party MPP no suche ni pediko bia na ni ankrangra bia o to bia fan share the team say so ni ho MPP ni ho da bi nye ne kure uni bia ba esa no o da you are federal market and aka say bro bu share o conference na say era obi amon so aka say Ghana man no so bia timinya sa akonya no na mra na timi otimiti ase na timi di ma no brese efatem the custodian de bokata era Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and for unikase pa about MPP delegates endorsed Baumia for 2028 and no de menyi say sa na ba ti ko ye sa na ade o mo prese you know ka o tra no atro de asi nya de wo no bo siri maka eno nya papa sa Oyasa na oye defeated the purpose of their gathering. The new center, Blekusu Coastal project in phase 2 no, and one Semusuketu South, and also Egusua, a consider Mampenya Koshe, a bono, MPP as I expanded the medical, electoral college, almost 54 new reforms, gold board also on be rule out traceability, and also one sem Ewahan same. The Ghanaian point say, keep up the good work. Galam say it's a threat to our lives. President Mahama to National Security Coordinator. President Mahama Nakaso say, hey, National Security for Munyamajuma Moye, why are they power? They say the baby a former good year to into one class a year kono and tray kura. Timisem Muntua na Mona Moshe, na Bibia and Timinko Kama and Famine. Republic say MPP must return to grassroots. Brian Champon and Akase say MPP Amanyukono. one a party nankasa ne one a wo form no nti ye kasa nyina no yesere mo moma party ne one a wo form no one ho ehia mo na omontimi eni dwuma pamfa mo power General Secretary so kasa conference as say MPP a hye wo ho bo say ade 2028 about to be koso no enkurimdie be ye omodi afei enuafo miensa bi omo ye say omo ye tell omo ye Joshua Alabi professor ye kasa de ya chi omo nti omo oh you don't know me I'm Professor Joshua Alabi yeah oh 60,000 oh yeah me Professor what I feel oh we to ana yeah the omo de this how if you come every year through the o man hene kwabna sante o ba ha no say uni mu hwe it was prof enya the papa ba mesra Ghana for nyina so say mesra mo obi a oni obi say Professor Alabi dealing e be na Professor Alabi krat me akoka say mama 60,000 aba ha any padi bi so okra na
unim ni pa na
ka ntimase
e ma no nyonwa so bit me 2,000 come obi say enye 200,000
yeah because Professor Alabi you know him
only me pana can was will be a bit me be a bit you.
Mr. Sometimes, woman, no money too much. Daily Democrat so say stealing in the name of God. Report exposes cathedral mess. And what's some Daily Democrat and so they as we speak now, still in Bianco. So two Daily Democrats won't choose actually. Even the minister, spokesperson of Kazahara, that discrepancy cannot be concluded. Say, please. This is how we have shaped the narratives about all of us. Tintron kwani, propaganda kwani, interesting kwani. So the real issues we say from so crowd we don't get to the core to solve it. It won't say kwani asaba asemba kwa ekon ni asabi jina na emu ni eguso. We need to progress. It's important. Don't be blinded by partisanship. They be asma ekanono. Don't be blinded by partisanship because you have power today, tomorrow you will not have the power. That is where you feel it. In a dano, I also was work on chairman or throw by a catcher and say, or see there is traffic on the Accra Kumasi Road and Namasama Road or Mariwa Dam guys that I'm won't the can I say. Over catch them me, I'm a fast for 8 years. There is traffic. There be you have to go through it, and then you know how we have gone through it as Ghanaians. Did you okay kake say it's your young one see it if it's your who say report the one man you should have been truthful to Ghana and yourself. So important. There's too much lies. Too much propaganda. Well, I was even here.
Okay.
Now the one so.
Manfa Adom online and so to us ne other say man found hanging dead at Kintampo. Say akawasem. Is it Ghana the strong for best 200 I stranded to America broach memo. On scratch with scanning co. Say Memphis University no airbo or kokose and she has a cat $3.6 million are buying entry everyone more. Obe pound when you know back to their country. NPP a bank Ghana NDC a bank omu for a some their boom. Den. Na ni you know what NPP ne catch no way this on one epe and our master no con garam say and send some no Man allegedly murdered, buried under dried grass at Gomuaman farm. Said the Bemo. Too much.
And now you could wait at the end, you could see a near shoe and it's too much.
Too much.
The fundamentals are becoming extremely weak all the time. There's something fundamentally weak in this country.
Wrong.
Fundamentally. Wrong. There's something wrong. If you say, there's something wrong.
Yeah.
Fundamentally, there's something wrong with this country. Until we get to that point, because whatever we build on a weak foundation, it will cave in. Yes, someone Ghana for don't look at just the few people or more Jubilee House, no mere ministers. Look within yourself and tell yourself that me a Ghanaian, I contribute positively towards Ghana development. It starts with you.
Yeah.
One kasa a shot here with you. That is why I say, oh, you're Centronia. And you're my throw DNA in Chato Swan and you're my N7 Fatano. You know, blackmailing, character assassination, insults. No? You have to avoid it. It's not part of nation building. Superior arguments. Very important.
Yeah.
Mene kwesi nya adwene so ofre me babunu because menye babunu. Uni na tem. Ba odi di kwesi atem Sebi way because also ye bebuna. Na dia na pese o kire. So mesrɛ mo they say the efini na aba na yeso so no e de ekɔ ditch mu.
Enye
Efini na aba na wo kire wadwene na obi na onya adwene a. Obɛhoro maame ahoro papa ahoro ma ahoro. Now the esaya ahomte kra no say akɔhwɛ nipa na ɔka sansɛm ne de kire ono. So one ye careful. Ghana for let's rise. Let's not put our trust in that few people from politicians now. Oh, everybody is compromising now. And then I'm a cast and maybe they can obia bend the rule. Obia. So the Ghana factor is missing in action now. I will entreat all of us. Odigwa, we are sofo, we are journalist, we are fitter, we are shoemaker, we are wanyo. Just be part of the Ghana agenda. The Ghana we all want. It's very important so that Ghana mebulu benya adwumaye mebulu benya nidaso one after 60 years no there will be an environment for them to operate in and enjoy their labor. Oko hospital anya bench say na okoda ajubo di say frame mama in the communal center say na ma baby ada there be where a driver for ni a post for the no credie e be ye adwuma where the tumi ma eye obi so medi so a ni sema hodo a omo beka no omo betimi di ose aye oyo. These are the qualities of the Ghana that we all want to build. It's also important.
Eti enne siko sao.
Good.
Star 281 hash. Select option 4. Twagum. Semekoi. Erika Siedu. Eba beto aso dia gudemu nsem aba. Siko sika. Almost first 1,000 Ghana cedis. First 1,000 Ghana cedis. It is star 281 hash. We unhia Android phone and what say yam krana kuta. But star 281 hash. No select option 4. Or the Fagumisa, Eric said better 1,000 Ghana cedis. Na Eric area yape ne ya the hair tips and so atwaso at the amount. Na ya the a young combo ba kuminu ensa abituma na on sepe aba. And I say medika and a bedroom a 1. And pensemu a 1. Ekumodi kasia na kasa e for the National Cathedral. So Ebenya government minister for government spokesperson, Ebenya an auditor, Ebenya finance officers, Ebenya one te tumedi nakasa ase. Na fe report ne so aba no so ebiem amobia so etime oba bia asem nakasa esi bedwam nie free sample copy se don kro ba pounds ma adwenu enkoso ne yentena e wa Adom TV. Ya ba ese